This tool is going to take your meme coin trading to the next level. Nova is already the fastest meme coin bot on the market, helping you get in and out of positions super quickly, but they have this super unique tool called Nova Click, which is a Chrome extension, and they recently made a huge upgrade, basically implementing quick buy features into Twitter as well as Discord. This is what it looks like on Twitter. If anyone tweets out a contract address or a ticker, you have a quick buy feature right next to it. You just click buy and it buys that token right away. Same thing in your DMs. If anyone sends you a ticker or a CA, you have this quick buy option. If I click buy on this, there you go, success, bought within literally a second. And if I click on buy, there you go, bought literally within a second. If we go back to Telegram, you can see that this has been bought. I'm obviously going to sell this because it's just an example, but that's how rapidly you can get in to positions with this new feature. If we head over to Discord, it's the exact same thing. If anyone shares a contract address or a ticker in your Discord, you get a quick buy option right here. Just click buy. There you go, success. Head over to Telegram and that position has been purchased. And if we go on to the Nova extension, you can obviously adjust the quick buy amounts yourself. You can add different presets and you can enable Nova panel. If we head over to BullX NEO, this is the Nova panel, basically a panel that overlays onto any of your favorite trading bots. So this works with BullX, this works with Photon, etc. Basically allowing you to check charts, etc. on any of your favorite tokens on your favorite trading bots, but get in and out of positions using Nova instead, just because Nova is the quickest trading bot at the moment. So we have this panel, you also have these quick buy options. You can switch to sell out of your positions super quickly as well. If we head over to Neo Vision, you also have these quick buy options directly on all of these tokens, allowing you to buy with Nova. As soon as any of these tokens migrate, you also get a quick sniper option and allowing you to get into newly migrated tokens super quickly. Nova is pushing out new updates all the time. Now, if you want to use Nova, you do need an access code. You can use code Ragnar or just sign up with my link down below to get instant access to this bot. Basically just sign up like you do with any other Telegram trading bot. You can either create a new wallet or import your already existing trading wallet, for example using the same wallet as you do on BullX or your other trading bots. Once that is done, this is what the main menu looks like. So to download Click, just click on Nova Click right here, click on download. It will take you to the Chrome marketplace. Click on add to Chrome. Once that is done, before you actually open the extension, click on to guide right here, go on to setting up, then you need to click on this link. You need to connect to your Telegram to make sure the wallet is connected. Click on launch Nova Click right here. There you go. Then it says success, you are connected. You can also check the connection to make sure the wallets are connected. There you go. You can then go ahead and open the extension. Click on enable, set your own buy amounts, your own presets. You can enable Nova panel, etc. And then you're all good to go. Now, if you do run into an issue where the add-ons are not working, then you have to go back into the guide, click on Chrome extension workaround. You need to download this file. You then need to save and unzip the file. You need to go to this link right here. This is what it looks like. You need to turn on developer mode, load unpacked right here, open the file you just downloaded, then basically just pin Nova Click and you're good to go. The Nova bot already being the quickest trading bot on the market, now having this extension as well, allowing you to quick buy into tokens directly from Twitter and Discord. It's just a game changer in my opinion. Obviously, meme coin trading is all about speed, and right now there's no denying that Nova gives you the fastest buy options. So that's what I wanted to share today. If I come across any other sick trading bots or new features being added into any of these bots, I will let you know as soon as possible. If there's anything else you want me to post about or to check out, do let me know down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to check out Nova, use code Ragnar or use my link down below. You can also check out BullX NEO down below if you want to. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.